今日係兒菜子炒牛肉粒。Hello, I will challenge myself to make 100 Cantonese food. I like cooking Cantonese food because this is healthy and nutritious, delicious, and has a variety of dishes. Cantonese food emphasizes the original taste of ingredients and a light cooking style, using only a small amount of seasoning. The cooking methods are also simple, mostly steaming, stewing, and frying, making very easy to learn, suitable for the current health conscious lifestyle. Cooking at home allows for flexible control over seasoning. So, let's start cooking Cantonese food now. What Cantonese food could you like to eat? Feel free and talk to me.